So guys, it's literally now time to go back. Look over there, the ice cream truck. We stopped it, so I'm gonna just go. It came again for the fourth time. Let's go. So right now we're gonna wait. See over there? Hi. So it's gonna be a long time for my sister to come. Oh, she's coming. Yeah. So can I have the Spider-Man? Can I have the Spider-Man? Okay, thanks. Oh my gosh.
Could I have the cyclone? Thank you.
Bye. Oh my god. Oh god. Wait, what is that? Okay. Okay. Alright, see you later.
Bye-bye.
Oh my god, I didn't know. Oh god, we got it. How is this even possible? I don't know. I don't know either. How is this even possible? It's right now like Saturday and literally, yeah. Oh my gosh, I heard it a lot. I was like, oh my god, we go back. Yeah. So you know, that's why I don't know. Oh. Yes, cause I mean the ice cream truck came, so you know it counts. So you know it counts, of course.
Yeah, so we're gonna
Yeah.
stop.